Few people understand the psychology of dealing with a highway traffic cop. Your normal speeder will panic and immediately pull over to the side. This is wrong. It arouses contempt in the cop heart. Make the bastard chase you. He will follow.
In the club looking so conspicuous. And wow, these women all on the prowl. If you hold the head steady, I'ma milk the cow. And forget about game, I'ma spit the truth. I won't stop till I get them in their birthday suits. So give me the rhythm and it'll be off with their clothes. Then bend over to the front and touch your toes. I left the jag and I took the rolls. If they ain't cutting, then I put them on foot patrol. How you like me now when my pinky's valued over 300,000? Let's drink, you the one to please. Ludacris fill cups like double D. Me and Ursh once more when we leave some dead. We want a lady in the street, but a freak in the bed that say to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Ursher got the voice to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Ludacris got the flow to make your booty go. Take that, rewind it back. Lil Jon got the beat to make your booty go.
I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. So good, so good. I got you. Wow, I feel nice. That sugar is fine. I feel nice. That sugar is fine. My love won't do you no harm, and I feel nice. That sugar and spice. I feel nice. That sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. Sugar and spice. I feel nice. Like sugar and spice. So nice, so nice. I got you. Wow, I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.